Hello guys. So finally my Wi-Fi is back. I don't know why, but my Wi-Fi suddenly cut it. Okay, so hello. Finally we can play Roblox. Okay, look. Bake or Die. I found this game from Kalos. I watched it yesterday while I was eating chips, and it actually looks fun. Okay, so today we are gonna be playing it. Okay, there we go. The baking game. Susibaka. Okay. So we basically just watch. It's kind of funny. It is kind of like 99 Days in the Forest and that other game. What is the name? Dead Rails. And protect your box fort from monster. It's kind of like that actually, you know? All of those games plus. Okay. Guys, we are open. Guys, we have some pie. One pie. Gosh, everybody's wishing to the show. You want to chill? Yes. Okay, let's go to the gunsmith set. Okay. Olympian. Okay. Killers. You know what Killers bought? Killers bought this, the DMR. But like at day 10, bro just said, yeah, bye, I'm bored. So yeah, it was actually kind of funny. Pew, pew, pew. Okay, just scavenge for wood. And some wood. Okay, come on. What's that? Apple. Okay. Open. Open. Open up. Open up. Diner. Cool. Wait, that says die. Oh. Yeah. Where's that? Wood store. Deposits. There you go. Okay. There you go. Come on. Okay. For a broken window. Okay. Survive the night. Okay. Or I guess I'll try to. Hello, zombie. Ouch. Die. Die, you stupid zombies. Okay, we have to survive 20 seconds. Okay, 20 seconds now. 19, 18, 17. Okay. What the? My gosh. Got scared. What the hell? What the hell? The hell? Hurry. Please, we don't need this. My mama's kinda honest. Ooh. Okay, but I am depositing so much. Okay, there we go. Okay. No. There. There we go. Activate. Oh, sweet apple pie. Raw sweet apple pie. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh. There we go. Ouch, my back. Sir. By the way, guys, we can make mini pies. It's so funny. Look. We're gonna make a mini pie. So mini and cool. This is for $13. Save your pie. Here you go. Okay. Let's go to the gunsmith. Hello, Smith. Guys, can you guess what the gunsmith's name was? Smith. Okay, was that funny? Yeah, probably no. Beep, 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 beep. By the way, we have infinite ammo. Look. See? We have infinite ammo. Down there. On the screen. Look. We have infinite ammo. By the way. Bada boom. By the way, in those houses, there are zombies, okay? So we're gonna go and raid one. FBI, open up. Sometimes there aren't if you're lucky. So yeah, and it's about to become night. Oh no, come on, come on. Come on. Bro! Come on. Bro, why are we so slow? Let's drop this, because we have another one. Come on! There we go. Finally. Ooh, what's that? Oh, hell no! Oh, no, this is bad. Oh, no. Come on, die. 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 There we go. What is this? What are these? Oh my gosh. What the? Okay, ma'am. Okay. We'll come and save you later. Oh my gosh, guys. That's a lot of zombie meat and tomatoes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1 for each one. One tomato for each one. Okay, guys. Oh. 6, 7. Okay, so I have 14 tomatoes. You know what? There you go. Now that's what I'm talking about. Give me something juicy. Beep. Bruh. I did deposit. Okay, come on. Put it in. Activate. Come on. Tangy tomato pie. What the hell is that? What the hell? Come on, hurry up. We don't got all day. We got someone to save. Okay, meanwhile, let's pick up these wood stuff. Put them in there. There you go. Okay, come on. Okay, now let's go. Let's go to the church. I'm gonna be carrying any guns to the church, so my God, we have $489. That's a lot. My gosh, what is that? What is this abomination? Collect. Hello, ma'am. You saved that girl. It's good. Okay. Good job. Blueprint. Oh no. Oh no. I think I see a zombie in my shop. That is not good. I am Poppy. We have $779. Beep, 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 die. Die, you Shreks. Yo, why do they look like a Shrek? I want to know that. Wait, was that all? No. Yippee! My gosh, I have a lot of zombies. Apple. Tomato. Okay, let's make a fruit only. Okay, that zombie meat. Drop. And deposit. Okay, drop. Drop. Yep, there we go. Let's drop them all actually. There we go. Okay, get them. Hold up. Okay, activate mixer. Bro, how did that those things get in? Okay, let's put this tomato in. Okay, tomato. No, the tomato. Yes. No, not zombie meat. Apple. Okay. Put it in. Zombie bean. No. Let's just put in. What the hell are we doing? So the zombies review. Juicy apple pie. So juicy. Boom shakalaka. Bro. Deposit that and this. And collect all of these. on, bro. We don't have all day. Man, hurry up. Okay, guys, go, actually go. Okay, we need to pick the pies. Juicy apple pie. So juicy. Yeah, you guys are not even. Oh, no. I was about to say, yeah, you guys are not even stepping foot in this place. Oh, no. Oh, what the hell? What am I supposed to do? Come on, die. Stop getting stuck. Finally. Thank you guys for buying my pie. Thank you so much. Still got an apple, something else, I mean. Here, let's put it in. Bruh. Come on. Okay, after we sell those, we're gonna go to Smith's shop. Smithy. Okay, let's go. Hello, Smith. Bruh. Okay. SMG. And this means I would like to buy this. Thank you, Smith. Pratatatata. Oh, East. Let's go. Let's go. East is good. Guys, we're gonna play until like day 7. Okay? Class. I didn't know that was for class. Money, 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 money. Actually, guys, I'm gonna go now. I'm bored. I'm sorry. I will do a part 2 someday, okay? Bye-bye.